Manipurda lariba paramilitary force Singna Mee Central Force Sing Micham Meeyam Amadi State ki integrity ngak senaba kaubani aikhoi masel hana sunaba du yengnaba kaubanate yengnaba lakpa OIRABADI HANKHIBA yare natrabadi aikhoi isan oiba Warif Isana Lorakani, Loinina State Force Singna Matam Pumna Magda Sem Saraka Lebiu Haina Chief Minister and BIREN PHONGDOKKHRE. Ngasi first MRG Banquet Hall the Pangtokiba Manipurna State Food Fangba Chay Yankhanito Subagi Thoramda Chief Minister and BIREN Chief Guest Oike. Thoramadida Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Speaker T.S. Satiaberta, Cabinet Minister Singh, MLA Singh, Chief Secretary, DGP, Security Advisor Makok Thongba Civil Amadi, Police ki Official Singh Saruyaki. Thoramadughi Sarokama Oina Mars Pers Contingent Singhi Parrot Su Utki. Thoramadida Wangang Bada Chief Minister and BIREN Hai. State Amadagi Makwigi Tongana Tanaba, demand karat Talakli Badu Talu Karisukaide, State the Piroi Habani, Madugi Onataina Bada, Sing Janba Chachaba, Amadi Water Supply Gi Sing Thaba Chachaba, Micham Mui Singbo Hatok Piba Habasi Condemned Dawi, Masi State Asigi Apun Basaktam da Singna Bani, State Asigi Apun Basaktam Tugaina Bahonarapada, Yalhomi Sing Amata Oina Punsilaka Kaiba Yaro Haina Leblakani, Wari Sanaba Yabamafam da Wari Sanaduna Santainasi, Yadabamafam da di State Kilazariba Machinery Sing Season Nagani, Loinina State Lengana Thing Nagani, State Asigi Apun Basaktam Kai Haloi, Equigi State Lisang Sina Puwariga Sagon Naduna Lakpani, Warabamata Masida, Mayai the Fom Nagana Traga Nakal the Tonglaka Insin Badu Marabnate, State Asigi Mafam Kayada IRB MR Amadi Commando Sing Yaknaba Singalanting Nari Haiki, Loinina Lake Hidraba Tongna Faraba Security Force Personnel Singdasu Ikai Kumnaba Utki.
Wasi Susi function se lor matu da collective kali karam bataur kanda haina sa hai kare mayai delle ko yarwa mayai delle ko har dis delle tata security वगैरह ama वगैरह state protect of state की state को protect होता है state की state की प्रजा में हम innocent में protect होता है अदु protect का वही तो state को protect होता है प्रजा की right को protect होता है वो मोह इधर सीधा है ना खास अथर में मोर right है anybody येंग ना को बोलते मोर कोई मसलन हाना बदो येंग ना को बोलते security sing central forces sing you are not invited here to observe to see what is happening what is going on. You invited here to protect the state integrity. You invited here to protect the life and the property of the innocent people, not to watch. You are invited to save the life and the property of the people of the state. We are Indians. क्या समझता है? क्या खेलता है? एक आदमी की जिंदगी बहुत कीमत है. हम वो खेल में फंसने वाला हम नहीं है. We will take our own decision. aduna apang kasi thamakanda commando police IRB MR Legal State Forcing matam punamakta same sarga legedabani nasa nahan ba yaroy suti logo yaroy nasa ni lariba me nasa ni jati ni kainon thole ha kan changthil laga kanna na bokona budo people sing property life kan budo bole kogi politician na kogi aduga sabha leriba kogi thos
Amarom Chief Minister and BIREN Paumi Singh da PHONGDOKKHRE Irang Asiga Mari Lenina MLA Minister Singh resign Todaba Yadaba Matang Yoraklabadi, Soidani resign Togani, Adumapu resign Toraga Kari Orakpa Yabage Haiba Adu MLA Minister Singh Punna Khanari, Magna Hai Manipurgi Oina Ngasi Asi Chay Yankhanito Suba State Food Deni, Yamna Sautok Saningai Amadi Harauningai Oiba Numini, Adubu, Maike Karadagi Manipur Butugai Naba Honarakpa Si Yamna Live Tibani, Central Force Singna Security Force Ama Oina State Asigi Ladiba Meeyam Lan-Thum Amadi Punsi Ngakpa Lakpa State Amadi National Territorial Integrity Ngakpa HENNA Puning Changbiu Haiki Moreda Kuki Militant Singna Sniper na Kaptuna HATPA SDPO Anan Mihata Chenaba Mioy Singh Lemna Tharoi Chap Chaba Action Lokalakani Masida Natana Ningtho Khongi Thodok Adu Micham Meeyam da Target Torakpani Haiki State Asina Asuk Fibam Luraba Matam Masida Politics Togadaba Nate State ki Meeyam Yamna Wanaraba Matam ni HAINA Makataki.
The state government is doing, the preparative to kill the Anand. We arrest it. Not saying only words. Lemna Tharoi is not only words. We arrest it. And we book. We penetrated to the enemy zone. And similarly, the two incidents which has happened in Hautak 1 and Ningthau Khong, it's very highly condemnable. Targeting to the civilians is a cowardly. Let us see. Today also just right from the 12:30 we'll be sit together and we'll take some concrete decisions so that we have to protect our people. We have to protect the state. We cannot compromise at sudden. We cannot compromise everything. To whom will we hand over the administration? We have to think of it also, because people have suffered. In this particular matter, we should not play politics, and we should not listen to the vested interested people's voice. We should see the concrete, and we should see it positively for the generation. Hujik eta hairaga emotion de koi chatpa yaroi. Aikoina resign tawren khalani. Resign tawr kan kari we hebu de so koi khanari. Tawdaba yadaba mathang laga sim tawni. Kari no haibasi praja ji kamaina mainly praja gi life gi concern doni. Kana ada sidanam goni. Kanuna lairi ga isa ko adu kumna nainari. Tawrakpasu yai tawruktabasu yai. But we are serious.
The parade inspection charge Police Main, Imphal West, Imphal East. Meeyam Bank, Imphal West, Meeyam, Honorable Chief Minister, today's chief guest to come. And has successfully combined Manipur has given Singna Mee, SI Kam Rudachak Singh, Pajol, Kamjong, Technical Charter, Donate, Mango, Kam. Next.